So we were really interested in what sorts of people sign up for these studies. In particular, we were interested in gender identification because what we know is that certain types of men who identify as very masculine, often will do risky, dangerous things in order to test themselves and to show others that they're tough. So what we did is we got people in and we gave them a bunch of questionnaires about gender and about personality and so on. And then after they had finished filling them out, we asked them if they wanted to participate in a pain study. And we basically compared people who said yes to people who said no. Much in line with what we were expecting, we found that men who identify as with typically masculine roles, men who are aggressive and competitive and these kinds of traits, sign up at a far higher rate. Now this is actually quite important because one thing we often observe is that males report less pain than females. And there's various biological reasons for that, but what this suggests is that one reason might be that we are selecting a certain type of male, a male who's particularly motivated to prove themselves and to show less pain. In the past, we've seen that these kind of men report less pain, and we've also seen that they particularly report less pain if they're reporting it to a woman. So the next step is to do this in a larger study and help us to figure out exactly what type of men are signing up at a higher rate and how this might affect what they report to us in terms of their pain. And that will help us then in the clinic because we need to know whether certain types of people are more or less likely to report pain and how that affects what they're feeling.